उसका कैरेक्टर अच्छा है यार।
हाँ, नो डाउट है।
उसको मेरे जैसी समझदार मिल गई।
नेरिसा मिली है, तू नहीं।
चलो यार करें।
How do you see Tubal?
With my eyes. Sorry. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mondays with Merchant of Venice. Let's have some fun. Technically speaking, I see Tubal with my eyes, but if we are talking about his personality, then I think he's a very cunning person, and basically he's the Shakuni Mama from Mahabharata. No, of course not. The way he, tells Shylock about updates Shylock about the things happening around him. It's really, he plays with his eyes, he goes like this. So that shows his cunning nature again, of course. And friends are not cunning, friends are loyal. So no, he's not his true friend. Okay, if I were Tubal, I wouldn't let Shylock choose the path of revenge. Instead, I would ask him to, find a midway so that he wouldn't have lost everything. And I feel that way I would have been a true friend to him.
From Lorenzo point of view or Salarinos?
Salarinos.
She was Jew. She's Amless. So I don't want to judge her character. I don't think so. She was a true daughter to her father. She looted him emotionally and monetarily. So I don't think so. I don't think so. In exchange for my father's reputation and his money, I don't think so it will be worth it.
Bevlad. In Bassanio's word, he's a person who speaks an infinite deal of nothing. He loves to get drunk and pass witty comments on the society and people around him, though his comments are amusing at times. That's a bit of a grey area because he's a person who prioritizes himself over others. Like, for example, if I talk about Bassanio, he did agree to be on his best behavior only if he gets to, set sail to Belmont with him. And if I talk about of him as a lover, no doubt his and Nerissa's chemistry is really good, but it's more of a lusty one and not a lover kind of, like how Bassanio goes all out and does everything he can to achieve Portia. Gratiano was just lucky to have her.
So, Nerissa as a character is very thoughtful, kind, and generous, if I were to say. Witty as well. She helps Portia. And you can see it in the scenes, I know from the scenes, how she is trying to help Portia finding her true love or husband, if I were to say. Okay, so yes, I do think Nerissa is a true friend to Portia. Because she is by her side no matter what, and like I said in the very first question, the first answer, that she helps her out finding a guy who will be right for her. Okay, Nerissa's choice of choosing Gratiano as her husband. Yes, I guess she's right because as and when the scene progresses, we come to know that Gratiano is not bad as a person. He's really good at heart. So I think he'll keep Nerissa happy.
So basically, Lancelot Gobbo is a servant to Shylock, and later on he has a will to serve to Bassanio. He also is a messenger who helps
Jessica and Lorenzo to escape. Right. So he has a very joyous and a very good relation with Jessica. He's very helpful towards her, and as I said, he helps Jessica to escape, and he also acts as a messenger. He conveys messages from Jessica and Lorenzo. So yeah. So what I admire about Lancelot is no matter how intense the situation is, he's always very joyous and very jolly and playful. He's always smiling and goofing around. So yeah, I love that about him.